Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says OPENGL32 missing error. First, update or reinstall your graphics driver. Press the Windows key and search for Device Manager. Open it. Find Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand it. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows check and install any available updates. When it finishes, restart your computer and test the game again. If the problem is still there, run the System File Checker tool. Click on Start, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type sfc/scanout and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This tool will repair missing or corrupted system files automatically. After it finishes, restart your computer. Another simple fix is to reinstall the game or software. Uninstall the program and reinstall it from the official website or launcher. If nothing works, you can manually add the file. Download a trusted version of OPENGL32 and place it inside the game's installation folder. You can also copy it to the Windows System 32 folder. Open the C drive and go to Windows. Inside Windows, look for the System 32 folder and paste the copied file in there. Then restart your PC and check the game. Thanks for watching.